Okay, folks, we are going to now format our spreadsheet. Now that we have our data inputted, we're going to set it up so that it's more readable than it is. The first thing you're going to notice is that we have some overlap here, and we'll adjust that easily enough. We want to select the whole page. First, I'm actually going to make it a little larger. There we go. We want to select all of these cells, and the quickest way to do that is by clicking on this diamond up here, and we're going to go to Format Cells. You can also right-click and get there. And the first thing we're going to do is the font. It's a size 10 for default. We'd like to make it a little larger. Let's go to a size 14. And I would also like the alignment to be center aligned on everything here, okay? Then you'll click OK, and you see the font got larger and it's center aligned. Also, now this doesn't fit in here, and we're going to, the easiest way to do that is take your mouse, bring it between the two cells, and double click, and it will automatically make it a little larger for you. Okay, then I would like to format this column for the currency that it is. And so I'm going to just select the cells I want to do that. And again, you can right click and go to Format Cells or Format pull down menu. And we're going to format the number for currency. I'd like to indicate when it's a negative number, either this red without parentheses or the red with parentheses, you choose. Of course, leave it at 2 decimal places because it's currency, and then click OK. Okay, now we need this total filled in, and there's a real quick, easy way to do that, and that is our auto sum button, or sigma. And if we click on our sigma, it will say to us, are these the cells you'd like to add? C2 to C7. Yes, those are the cells I want to add, so all I do is hit enter, and there's my total. Now going forward, Excel's real neat. It will understand if I want to total this column, and then this column and this column, all I have to do is copy and paste my formula, and it will know to sum this column and not this one. It's neat like that. Okay, I want to also change this date formatting, and I'd like to show it a little differently, and I'm going to show you this little trick. Let's go back up to Format Cells, and if we go under Alignment, you can see this little circle over here, or a half circle, and if you click on the red triangle here at the end and drag it, you can change this text alignment, and I'm going to go all the way up to a 90-degree angle. You can pick somewhere between there if you like. Okay, let's click OK, and you will now see that I have my date in a 90-degree angle there. Another quick fill with Excel, it knows that this is a date. I'm going to go to my little corner here, and you'll see a little square, and when I put my mouse over it, it becomes a plus sign, a smaller plus sign. If I take that and I drag it over, it will populate my date fields for me neatly, and so I don't have to do that. Now you're going to notice this dotted line down here because Excel has this set up in portrait, and we would like to do that in landscape. So we are going to Page Setup, which is going to be under File, pull down menu, Page Setup. A little bit more formatting here. We're going to go to Page, and I want it to be landscaped. And I also want it to fit on one page. Under Margins, I'd like it centered horizontally. For our header and our footer, I would like our name and a title. Let's put the title in the center section, and my title is 2012 Portfolio. And I can format this font here by highlighting it and clicking on the A, and let's make that a little larger since it is a heading. Let's make that 18. Click OK, and then in the customized footer, I would like your name. And let's put that in the right-hand section. And again, we will format that. And let's make that font, say, a 14. And OK. And the last thing I want to do here is under Sheet, I would like to check off grid lines. I believe the grid lines help bring your eye across the page. And if you want to see what that looks like, you can go to File, Print, Preview, and it will show you what it looks like. We're going to go to print, and then you have a preview, and this is my print preview, and that's exactly what I want to look like. I have my name over here, and here's the portfolio, and my grid lines are in it. Okay?